Mommy, can I turn it down? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm competing with several noises right now. Marla has nursery rhymes going on in the back, so I'm not going to be doing like any type of background music for this video, but I really wanted to come and show you guys something. What? Watch you something now? So I really wanted to come and show you guys something that I did about 2 weeks ago. This face right here, I'm unsure if you guys can see it properly. This one. Hey guys, so I'm trying out a new technique today, right? I did I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet, but if it holds up, then I'm going to make a video on it. And let's just see how well it holds up, and if it's really good, then I'm of course gonna share it with you guys. But if you haven't seen my last vlog yet, go and go watch that. I'm gonna attach the links so you can swipe up. On this day, if you follow my Snapchat, if you're not following it already, please go ahead and follow it. But this is a face I'm about to recreate, not necessarily the makeup look, just the foundation routine, because that foundation routine in particular lasted me over 6 hours, and I just took it off because I was ready to take it off. It could have lasted me much longer. So today I'm going to show you guys what I did. I have to turn that down, it's annoying me. Hold on. This face is going to be just the foundation routine. I already have my eyes done, my eyebrows and stuff like that, because I really just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing in terms of how I get it to last that time. It's hot in here like always, so I'm gonna try not to sweat this off while I'm putting it on, because I had to turn the fan off because the fan is too noisy. So yeah, enough rambling. I just wanted to bring this to you guys like raw, uncut, unedited, like that, and I wanted it to be a talk through, so sorry. It's hot in here. First thing I did was I went in with my primer. Wipe this off, my shit's always dirty. Why? So I used the Milani Prime Shield. This is one of my top 3 primers for black women. If you haven't seen that video yet, it will be linked up top in the iCards and in the description bar, so go ahead and watch that to find out your 3 top drugstore primers that you can use for a woman of color. So I just put some of this on. I just put some of that on like into my T-zone area, and you know where I know I normally sweat, and around my smile lines, and I just rub it into my skin. No, I can't turn on the fan, little. God, it's hot. I'm just gonna allow the fan to kind of dry this a little bit, because this part here is very important. And what this primer does is it mattifies and minimizes your pores. So that's the Milani Prime Shield. It's very good. I'm almost out, so I'm gonna have to re-up on this soon. Alright, I'm gonna allow this to dry now. Watch your cartoon. After that dries, you're going to take a pressed powder. I'm using the Milani pressed powder. This is a compact mineral powder, and this is in the shade Deep, number 110. I'm just going to use like a powder brush. Ooh, you get this. I'm just going to use this powder brush and just dust some of that on top of my primer. This is a very, very important step, guys, because this is going to lock in the primer and make it work even more effectively. Gonna dust down some of that. So this is basically like a remix to the powder before foundation technique. Only thing is you use a primer. I don't know what primer is best to use, but I know that this one that I use worked very, very well for me, and I have dry skin. I've tried the technique on clients with oily skin, and I've heard good reviews, so I think it works just the same. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation. You guys know lately I've been mixing these 2 foundations together. I don't think I'm gonna start doing that anytime soon, because for the summertime they really help me out. So I'm just putting in some of the Jordana 2-in-1, and I mixed in my L'Oreal Infallible in the shade 109, the Pro Matte one, not the blue one, the red one, with a stippling brush. I'm not even going to mix it out, guys. I'm just gonna do that, whatever I just did. It's not coming off. Shabal fair socks come off her hand because she stuck too much finger. So I told you guys how much I love stippling brushes. I feel like they just apply products very, very well. They don't cake it on, it just lightly applies it, and that's perfect. Finishing off my forehead. Now, one of my beautiful subscribers had requested my everyday makeup look for the same look that I just showed you guys. I'm going to be doing that tutorial, but this is just for the foundation portion. For that, I'm gonna do like probably just, it's gonna end up being a shorter video. I really wanted this video to be separate, so that's what I'm doing. Just gonna make sure this is blended out. So after I have applied the primer, powder, and the foundation, I'm gonna move into my highlights and contour routine, and I'm just using my regular products that I normally use to do that, if I can find them. Alright, so for highlights, as per usual, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Yes, baby? Huh? Behave yourself over there now. And this part I'm going to speed through because you guys already know how to do this part. So I'm not going to be lingering on this at all. Of course, regular steps, setting my highlight with the Black Opal Deluxe. This is my favorite setting powder. Never gets old, guys, and it works like a charm. Alright, close this up. Okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna dust away this brush. I'm gonna just dust away the excess powder now. And I'm just gonna set my face with a regular powder. Any powder of your choice should do. At this point, it really doesn't matter because you already laid like a strong foundation for your look already. Alright, so now I'm gonna contour. I'm using the same powder that I use, the same Earth Glow. My nose edges, my brushes are dirty. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna highlight. I'm using my favorite highlighter lately. This part doesn't really matter, guys. Oh god. I'm just using a blending brush this time. And I always like to just blend back out my highlight to make sure it doesn't look crazy. I just go over that with my powder brush. But yeah, all you do now is just put something on your lips and you're good to go. And there you go, guys, easy peasy. This foundation will last you like for 6 hours, possibly longer. When I was taking it off, it literally wasn't ready to come off, but I had to take it off because I was ready to go to sleep. So yeah, that's it. Pretty easy, very easy products to source, and they're very inexpensive. You guys know I'm not the type to break an arm and a leg for makeup, but yeah, something nice and fresh for the summer. I like it. It's very refreshing. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the foundation routine, and I hope you guys try it. If you do try it, of course, let me know. I'm about to do a wig tutorial, guys, but I just wanted to show you guys you know, how the foundation routine looks, since I was going to be doing it anyway. So my camera is about to time out any minute, but I really wanted to show you guys the snap of my after at the time. Let me see if I can find it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So this is when I had just, the snap isn't loading, but this is when I had just I'm gonna insert the clip so you guys can see, but like the after was well over 6 hours and it was still really good. Alright guys, so it is now 4. Can I talk? It's now 4:52. I've had my face on for 5 hours now, basically 5 going on 6 hours. Yeah, but I just wanted to show you guys close up how it is after 5 or 6 hours. And this is about like after walking. See my smile lines? Oh shoot, my battery's dying. This is after walking around in the sun and everything. So this is 6 hours later. A little bit of oil is peeking through, but nothing that serious. Yes, I'm definitely going to show you guys what I did. Like, it was still looking very good, still in place, everything. The only thing I had was smile lines. So yeah, you guys will see it in the clip. But yeah, that's why I had to really share this routine with you guys, because I wanted to put it out there so that, you know, other people can try. Really and truly, I don't think it matters what kind of foundation you use. Your technique is every single thing. Like, you could use the most expensive stuff and it not last 5 minutes on your face because you didn't put it on properly. So yeah, there's nothing wrong with inexpensive products. Marla, stop that. There's nothing wrong with inexpensive products. Save your coins, it's not that serious, girl. But yeah, if you guys have tried this before, if you do try it, let me know. So don't forget to check out the video for the primer to see all the primers that you guys can use. I have several other foundation routines, including one with powders only. I'm going to leave that linked below, so you guys can definitely go ahead and check that out. The sequence is primer, powder, foundation routine, and you set that like regular with your powder. You can finish up with a setting spray, but I don't care for setting spray as much, because honestly for me it makes no difference. I don't know about anybody else. But yeah I love it. It's just very nice and skin like and fresh and all of that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up if you do plan to try it. Comment down below and tell me. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, guys. And yeah, more videos coming, of course. Summer isn't over, we're just getting started. Okay, get ready for the vlogs, them and all the tutorials coming. I have so many videos lined up for you guys, so don't forget to stay tuned and click the bell to turn on your post notifications, alright, so you don't miss no video. Oh, and guys, do not forget to follow my Instagram and my Snapchat. That's where everything happens. If you guys are not tuned in to my Instagram and my Snapchat, I think you guys should. The links will be down below and the names will be on the screen, so go ahead and follow me on all of that. And that way you get in updates faster, you know. You don't have to wait for a YouTube video every time. Yes, baby? You too much. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.